When you start learning 3D modeling, the most important thing is getting the basics right. In this video, we will create a simple 3D model in CATIA step by step, focusing on clean sketches and basic features. By the way, I am Dr. Syed Jabiulla. I work closely with the mechanical engineers who wants to build the strong designing skills. Stay with me, get inside the CATIA. We are going to start designing the 3D models. In this video, I am going to explain how to design this 3D component in CATIA using part design. Fine. So here I am going to divide this component into similar pieces and we are going to create piece by piece. Actually, we are going to start from this face. This face, okay. So we are going to draw this shape first, this L shape. With the exact dimensions, we are going to create this profile. Then we are going to pad it in this direction till the last. Fine. After that, we are going to create this rectangle and we are going to remove in this direction till the last. Okay. After that, this is the first piece what we added. This is the second piece what we removed here, right? And the third piece, we are going to create this profile. We are going to create this profile and we are going to add the material in this direction. That means in the 3 steps, we can finish this drawing. Okay, let's get inside the interface of part design. There I'm going to explain how to design this component. This is the interface of CATIA. Let's go to here, start. Click on the left side, start, mechanical design. Go to part design. Fine. Once you click on the part design, we are getting the option to enter the name of the part. Now only we can specify the name. Otherwise, we'll get the option to modify the name later. As of now, we just want to keep it default. Click OK. Once I click on OK, so we are into the interface of part design. Fine. So let's start. Here I'm getting the option to draw the sketch. On the right side, we get the option here, icon sketch. Fine. So by default, we know that we are going to get the 3 planes, X, Y, Y, Z, ZX. Fine. So I'm going to start from YZ plane. This is the plane. Select the plane. Go to the option here, sketch. Once I click on the sketch, now we enter to the interface of Sketcher. Fine. Here we are going to draw the 2D sketches. Let's go to the option Profile. Once you click on the profile, let me start from this point here. First point, second point, and third point. I just wanted to draw 2 lines. Let me complete the dimensions of this. Go to dimension. I want to add this constraint horizontal. This is 55. Double click on that number. 55, enter. I want to add the vertical dimension. Double click on this. Give it as 80. 80, enter. Fine. Now next again I want to give the reference dimension from this horizontal reference to this horizontal line. I want to give the vertical constraint. I want to give it as 40. 40, enter. Because the total dimension is 80, I wanted to give it here half. Similarly, from this line to this reference, I want to add the dimension 55 by 2. Click on OK. I'm going to get the profile like this. Fine. Let's go to the option again, profile. Let's start from this point. I want to keep it horizontal. Fine. Vertical, horizontal again. I want to keep it like this. Fine. I want to complete the dimension for this. Go to constraint. Okay. Let's start from this line. Double click on this. 40, enter. Similarly, one more dimension, vertical dimension of this line. This is 35. 35, enter. Fine. On the right side, here we get the option exit workbench. Click on the exit. I want to do the pad, so sketch is already selected. Just go to the operation pad. Once I click on the pad, now the dimension total is 55. So what I want is I want to give it as 55 by 2 and make sure here the mirror extend is on. Once I click on the mirror extend, we can see that whatever the dimension on one side, the exact dimension is there on the opposite side. Fine. Click OK. Check it in the isometric. We can see that here how I'm going to get the component. Fine. Let's go to the option again, sketch. Select this surface. I can draw it on this surface or the top surface. Fine. I'm going to select this surface. Let's go to rectangle, first corner and second corner. Fine. Select this corner point, hold control. hold control key in the keyboard and this corner point, go to the option here, constraint define in dialog box. Click on this one. Here I'm getting the option coincide. Click on the coincide. OK for this. Let's go to the option dimension again. That is a constraint. I want this dimension as 25 millimeter. Enter. I want this vertical dimension. Double click on this. 15. Enter for this. I want to remove this material. Okay. Exit workbench. Let's go to the option here. Pocket. Once I click on the pocket, now we can see the depth here. How much I wanted? 40. 40. Click on OK. I'm going to get the 40. So this is what we needed. Fine. Let's continue again on this surface. Select the surface. Go to the option sketch. I want to draw the complete profile. We can start exactly from the corner, but I want to start after giving some approximate gap. I want to start from here, first point. This is the horizontal line, vertical, again horizontal and incline, join to this point. Fine. Now go to again constraint. I want to add this dimension. Double click on this, 55, enter. Fine. Then select this point, this corner point, hold control key in the keyboard and this corner point. Select these 2 points, go to the option constraint define in dialog box, coincide. Okay, so click OK for this one. Now again dimension, go to this constraint option, start from this edge to this line. This is 45. 45, enter. Fine. One more dimension, go to constraint. I'm going to select this. This is 25, enter for this one. Exit workbench. Let's go to the option pad. I'm going to select this sketch. Once I click on the sketch, it is showing above, but I want below. Click on this. The height is 35. Add the dimension as 35 millimeter. Enter. Fine. So this is how we are going to design this 3D component in the interface of CATIA using part design.